Okay, there it is. Yeah, it looked like a sticker when I was looking out my window. But there go the snow. They had this part all closed off last week. Look, there's no wind blowing. There's no wind blowing. But I hate to be on the highway right now. Or trying to land an airplane. You know they said that they want to start blaming the airplane crashes on UFOs. They're going to say that UFOs are shooting down our airplanes. So they starting preparing us for the fake UFO invasion. It's not going to be real UFOs. It's not going to be real whatever they call themselves.